Meanwhile, Siouxland crime victims tonight are pushing for Iowa lawmakers to pass their own version of Marsy's law. KCAU-9 reporter Lydia Vasquez joins me with what that law entails and how it could impact victims as well as law enforcement. It's in our top story at 6.
That's right, Tim. Marsy's law was founded in California. It's named for Marsy Nicholas, who was stalked and murdered. Her family says they were never notified Marsy's killer was released on bail, and advocates of Marsy's law for Iowa say they want to even the playing field for victims of crime. The state director for Marsy's law for Iowa says victims of violent crime in Iowa do not have constitutional rights.
We're one of only 14 states where victims don't have constitutional rights, like notification on the status of their offender, the right to restitution, even something as simple as the right to be informed of their rights.
And some crime victim survivors say it's time to put focus on the victim instead of the offender.
2015, my husband and I had left our house, and literally a half a block away, we had passed a truck carrying a trailer. We saw the driver slumped over the wheel. I'm a paramedic and a nurse, and doing what I normally do, pulled over to see exactly what was going on. The driver managed to grab his keys, took off with the truck, headed at me, and violently ran over and killed my husband in front of me.
Liz Ford says she was never notified of restitution or any plea agreements.
I think Marsy's law not only would be involved in helping the victims and survivors deal with all those issues, and giving us the support.
Sioux City Community Policing Sergeant Jeremy McClure says anything that would expand a victim's role in the process would benefit the justice system as a whole.
We already, by law, have to do that with domestic abuse victims, and it's something I think that proves beneficial to those victims, keeping them informed and letting them be a part of the process to ensure that justice is served on their behalf.
Eric Baker with Marsy's Law for Iowa says there are some laws on the books that address the rights of victims, but they're unevenly enforced across the state, and they could be repealed by lawmakers with a simple majority. We have more information of Marsy's Law on our website, SiouxlandProud.com. Just click on this story under Featured Content tab.